Very good morning, children. Welcome once again to the online classes. In the previous class, what did you learn? So today you are going to learn English writing. Okay? English writing. So in the previous class, what did you learn in English writing? Tell me, children. Raise your hands. Sorry. Raise your hands. What did you learn? Pattern writing. Pattern writing. So in pattern writing, what did you learn in the previous class? Come on, tell me, children. Open your mouth and say, I think you would have practiced the whole week. Okay, you are practicing in the rough notebook, right? That is 4 lines book. You are practicing. So let's start revising from the beginning. Okay, let's start. Dot. Open your mouth and say dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, curve, up curve, down curve. Okay, you have learned so many pattern writings, right? So only when you learn that pattern writing, you will be able to write capital A, small a, the alphabets in the 4 lines book. Okay, children? So again, I'll repeat. This is dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, curves, up curve, down curve. So the next, what you're going to learn? The next pattern writing is the next pattern writing is, so only when you learn the pattern writing, you will be able to write. Okay, so which is the next pattern writing you're going to learn? This is red line, blue line, red line. Okay, children, which is the next pattern writing? Zigzag. What? Zigzag. A zigzag means you have so many objects with zigzag. When you're going running race, you curve like this and go zigzag. Okay? Yes. How do you write zigzag? From the red line, you do like this. Zigzag. Next, zigzag means when you scribble. When you scribble the coloring book, you take a pencil and you start scribbling in zigzag position, right? How do you do that? Like this. You do the coloring in your book, right? Scribbling, that is called. So you do it in zigzag pattern. So again, I will repeat. So once you learn these pattern writings, we'll start with the alphabets. So once you start with the alphabets, I will be giving you homework in the classwork as well as in the homework, children. Okay? So now let's start again revising. Dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, curves, up curve, down curve, zigzag. Okay, children, so today you learned, what did you learn today? Open your mouth and say, what did you learn today? Zigzag. What? Zigzag. Okay, the next you're going to learn English oral. Next is English oral. Okay, in the previous class, what did you learn? English oral, what did you learn, children? From capital A, small a to capital I. Capital I, small I. So we'll start revising and we'll go in much more alphabets. Okay, let's start. Capital A, small a. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Next, capital B, small b. B for capital B, small b. Which picture is this? B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay, B for butterfly. Next, capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. C for, which picture is this? Cat. C for cat. Meow. What does it sound? Meow. So C for cat. C for cat. Next, capital D, small d. D for, what did you learn? D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. Next, capital E, small e. E for, what is this animal called? Elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next, capital F, small f. F for, which picture is this? Fish. Which picture is this? Fish. F for fish. Next, capital G, small g. G for, which picture is this? G for grapes, your favorite fruit, right? G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Next, capital H, small h. H for, which is this? H for hen. Capital H, small h. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. Next, capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next, capital J, small j. J for, what picture is this? J for jug. Yes. J for jug. What do you use for jug? To pour water, juice and all. You use water for the jug. So J for jug. Next. Capital K, small k. K for what children? K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Next, capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. L for lotus. L for lotus. Capital L, small l. L for lotus. Lotus. Capital L, small l. Okay, children, again I'll repeat. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lotus. Okay, children, so today you learned English writing, that is from pattern writing, zigzag, and English oral from A to L. Okay, children, thank you.